Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, Canada, UK, and also share my daily analysis on the important currency pairs including British pound, US dollar. And this video is for today only, 25th Feb 2021, Thursday. Okay, this analysis is valid for Thursday 25th Feb 2021 only. And sorry for not having a professional background and setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. Okay, probably after some time you'll be hearing kids shouting outside on the streets. Hmm. Actually, I do not get time to edit my videos also. I am extremely sorry. Okay, uh, so I have the chart of GBP USD in front of me right now, and you can see that GBP USD is beautifully trading comfortably above the 50 period moving average. Okay, so whenever market in a trending market like this, okay, it's the strategy is very simple. Okay, just simply use a moving average like this and just be on the trade until and unless this currency pair crosses the uh, moving average. Okay, stay long as it is taking support. Okay, isn't it? But here we need to look at one more thing. Market has rejected the 1.4238 this price level. Okay, market tried to go up, but it failed to sustain there, and as a result, there was a strong price rejection from above. Okay, and ultimately it came down and took support at the 50 pair moving average also only. And if you're already in a position with GBP USD, I'll say that you can be on the trade as long as it is taking support on the 50 pair moving average. Okay, you don't need to come out. You can just come out of the trade once it crosses the 50 pair moving average. Until and unless you just be on the trade, that will be the wise decision. But if you're planning to take a fresh position, I'll say that wait for some time. The stochastic RSI indicator is showing that market is somewhat in over uh, bought level. Okay, let the market come down a little bit. Okay, when stochastic RSI will come down to the oversold level. Okay, then you will right now it is trading at 1.415, and then you will get this at around 1.4138 or 37. You'll get a better price. Okay, so it will come down when it will take support at a 50 paired moving average. Then it will be a better place to buy. Okay, let me show you with the help of a drawing. It will come down like this. Okay, when it will come down like this, following the trend. Okay, it should reverse or bounce from here. Okay, when it will bounce from here, stochastic RSI will be either here or it will be either here. Okay, when it will bounce, again it will move upward. That will be the best position to take a trade. Okay, that will be the area of value. Okay, your risk to reward ratio will match. You will get a better price. And if you're already in a trade, then you will be on the trade. You do not need to come out until and unless market is taking support at the 50 period moving average. And you can also see that I have drawn a box here. Okay, and so this box is for the safe players, those who want to be in the extremely safe position. But you need to wait a little, because let me tell you, as there was a price rejection here. Okay, so if you want to be on the safer side, then you can do one thing. You just wait and wait. Okay, until and unless market crosses this level, crosses the level of 1.4239. When market will cross this level, uh, if you see that after crossing the level market is still following this particular trend, then you can go ahead and buy above this level. Okay, that will be your safe position. There will not be any such resistance. Okay, otherwise you can also do what I told. just a few minutes back. Okay. So the strategy for GBP USD is simple for the day. If you have got the risk appetite, you can take the trade when market will hit the over sold level and it will bounce from here, taking support at the 50 period moving average. If you are already in a trade, do not come out, be on the trade. Okay. And if you want to take a safe trade, let the market cross this level. Okay. Then let the market take support at the 50 period moving average. Then you should go ahead and click on the buy button. Okay. So this is it with the British pound US dollar for 25th Feb 2021. Okay. Hopefully you'll have understood, and if you have liked the video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I'll come down tomorrow again with the tomorrow's analysis. Okay. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.